Become affiliated with the basics of affiliate marketing. Improper affiliate marketing can negatively affect you and your online business. You need to do a lot of research, networking, and working on your site so that you don't lose customers or money to improper techniques. There are some tips listed below to help you start marketing your online business through affiliates. You will need to know your target audience when putting affiliate marketing material on your site. Know why they are coming to your website and what it is that they are looking for there. If you don't capture their interest quickly, they will leave the site without participating in anything. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, search for affiliate companies that offer lifetime commissions. This will save you from losing commissions due to the time limit the affiliate company sets between the time that a visitor is referred from you to their company and when that particular visitor makes a purchase. Creating ebooks or viral reports is a great way to build up a strong base as an affiliate marketer. The more information you're willing to offer on any product or service, the more legitimate you will appear in the eyes of a potential customer. As long as you're willing to invest the time here, you can get great results. Do your research on the costs to start an affiliate marketing program. Many newcomers to the industry tend to forget that there are startup costs to this type of business. Keep in mind the setup, transaction fees, the contract minimums that you agree to, maintenance costs and development expenditures. Improper affiliate marketing can be very troublesome, but with some work and some patience, you can succeed at it. It just takes research, hard work and patience, to start seeing a difference in your online presence. Do yourself a favor and try using the above tips to help with your site's affiliate marketing. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.